just wow. Like, hi guys, thanks for stopping by. This is Sophia. I just filmed the opening of this, um, and and I forgot, like, I realized after I turned off the camera, said bye and everything, that there was more in the box. And so I think what I'm gonna do is just try to pick up where I left off, and you guys are gonna realize, like, oh, there's stuff in the box or whatever. But anyways, so this is part two. I received a really sweet happy mail from our uh, friend Marissa. She is the Pink Ape on Instagram and YouTube, and she's amazing, you guys. She inspires me all the time with her projects and her technique and the way that she chooses paper and patterns and solids, and um, I just love the way that her crafty brain works. I love her crafting, and when I realized that I had gotten mail from her, I was just over the moon, you guys. So I just opened this, as you saw, on part one of the video, and it was amazing. And underneath this box, there was this, and I just, yeah, uh, totally didn't realize there was more. I was just like spinning after I saw all of this, and didn't realize that there was more. Like, I was just already overwhelmed with how sweet it is that she sent me this. Okay, so looks like this is a Halloween bag, and she added this cute little felt piece with a um, cartoony looking bat. And even like this looks kind of like dark romantic type of wallpaper. And she sent me this really fun Halloween Cartabella Paper Company frames and tags. This is great. Yeah, you could use this with a lot of different stuff. Look at this. Trick or treat, Hello Pumpkin, All Hallows Eve. Really fun. Ooh, I like that. Thank you very much. And then look at this. I really love Halloween, and I know Marissa loves Halloween. She's already started crafting Halloween because she recently had to reorganize some things in her craft room because there was a shelf that actually came down because um, it just gave out. Look how cute this is. She added all these tiny pieces in here. I think some of them are sequin mix, some of them are seed beads, some of them are those little bubbles from Happy Crafter Shop, like plastic caviar or something like that. And it's in this little vial, and then they're all on this key and this little bead, and it has this velvet ribbon on the top, which is, I love that. I would not think to use the pink velvet for Halloween, and I like that a lot. I think it's pink. That's so cute. Isn't that gorgeous? That's so cute. Like, I would actually wear this, bro. Thank you. I'm going to put it back in the bag so it doesn't get messed up. Oh, oh, I almost dropped it on the floor. Oh my gosh. It's like Dia de los Muertos. It's a calavera, and then she's got the hair. Oh, this is gorgeous. I could totally see myself making like a creepy cameo. Oh, I would love to do like a romantic Halloween. I just got a paper pad. What is it called? It's by DCWWV, and it's like romantic something. And it's like dark floral, like wallpaper, haunted mansion looking stuff. I love it. Okay, thank you so much. I'm very happy to have that, and I am excited to play with it. And I think you are just trying to get me to start Halloween crafting. She started Halloween crafting, and I'm like, don't do it. I am resisting. Like, I cannot take out the Halloween stuff because it's not going to go back. Like, it's probably not going to go back until after Christmas if I take it out right now. So I can't do it. Um, but look, this, oh, this goes with the Animaniacs card. Look at this. This is so cute. I'm so excited. I used to watch this cartoon every single day when I would get um, to my babysitters from school. My babysitter was one of my classmates. Like, she was my friend, but one of my classmates' grandmas. Grandmas? Moms. Grandmas. Moms. I think it was her mom, actually, that watched me. Like, they were always over, so it just kind of felt like it was the mom. Look how cute that is. This is what I'm talking about. Like, this is just, I think this is Basil cardstock. It's like considered a solid cardstock when they do their sale. They don't mark it as specialty paper, but she's got both of these are um, this is coordinations, and this orange one is coordinations, and this one I think is Basil. But anyways, this one is like a textured dot, and this one has a like tone on tone polka dot on it, and it's just so subtle, but it like wraps it all together, and this contrasts this like in such a good way to go with this. And this I think is part of a Scrap Diva die maybe, but this stamp set is from the Sassy Club stamps, and I know that she like just got this recently, and she's been posting stuff and playing with it. She like opened it that very same day that she had said that she received it. By the next morning, there was already projects posted. So my partner in crime, how cute. And then she did all this with these. I really like that. I need to do something like this. And then she added a teeny little dangle right here. She used an eyelet, I believe. Yeah, a blue eyelet to put that ribbon through. And it's just, it looks so nice. But the back is, did you like seal it? Maybe did you make like a masterboard? I don't know what she did, but it's so cute. And then look, I almost feel like maybe she made, I think this is contact paper. And then this is maybe packaging tape, not laminate. This is genius. Marissa, this is so smart. I love it, I love it, I love it. Wow. Look at this. I love this. It's got like a frosty plastic bead and then those frosty metallic seed beads. Those are nice. I like that. They're like matte finish. Look how cute. Animaniacs used, this is a stamp. I don't know if it's Heidi Swap. I know she's been using a lot of Heidi Swap recently. Um, and look at this trim. Oh yeah. And again, some simple dangles here. Those are so cute. I'm a maniac for you. I'm a maniac for you. I just love it. It's perfect. And look, it's the water tower. That's where they live. That's so cool. And then Dot, the only sister. And she is annoying. Like, me and that sister would have been fighting if it was my sister. My daughters fight all the time. Look at how cute. And then like the pretty colored eyelets. This one is a flower. Matches perfectly. I love this. And this one is a different paper on the back. But I think this one is actually paper. The other one I think is contact paper, which I love that. That's so awesome. This one is I think especial. Look at this. I love it. Oh, I love this. Thank you very much. I love it. And then, okay, now this really is the last thing in the box. You fit so much in here. This is so beautiful. Oh, no way. Girl. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so SP are my initials. And when she had posted this, I told her, oh my gosh, that's my initials. Like, if you want to send it to me, I won't be mad at you. You know, like just messing around, like for real messing around. Like, if I ever do that to you guys, do not feel pressured to give me your stuff. Like, I will be so excited and like, but you know, like then maybe potentially I could drool on it and it'll be ruined. So just keep that in mind. You know, don't let me peer pressure you into like giving me your gorgeous creations because I am gonna love them. If they're gorgeous, like I'm gonna love them and I'm gonna want them. And you know, like maybe I will project that this one was for me onto it. SP. That's so cool. And look, see, like just she has these simple like pattern. This one's a solid, and this one is a pattern paper. But she layered them with this other ephemera and like this cheesecloth, and it's so gorgeous, like so dynamic. She fussy cut this out of. Did she, or is this an ephemera from something else? I think she fussy cut this, or maybe these two are ephemera from somewhere else, but just the way that she puts things together. Look, like this is a border piece, die cut. Yeah, that's not a stamp. And then she has this chipboard, spooky, scary, and faux Brad on there. She stitched all this. Look, all this. This is just the first page. And then this says, boo, trick or treat, be very afraid, happy Halloween. Wow. I love crows so much and spiders. And look, again, a brad, a little piece of cheesecloth, the stitching, some chipboard pieces, some glitter pieces. And these are like pieces that she got out of different packs or collections. Look at this, boo. These are tags, and then these are pattern paper that she made into um, like a back piece. And then she's got these twine here. This is so nice. Look, there's like the U-shape banner in the back, and then there's this intersecting it. It's two different cards, one like this and one like this, and then this is extra, and then these are on top, but backed by this. It's just like I I love it. Like I love how your crafty brain works. It's just beautiful. And look, all of these have these in the back so that you can hang a ribbon through it or something. And look at this one. KY. Kentucky. Look at this. The hat, and then she's got some of this ribbon hanging out here, the hand, and it comes over the cheesecloth. Just the texture and the depth, and then different things like this button. I told you guys I've been into buttons a lot recently, the little twine, and it's got little tiny hairs coming off of the twine. And all of these, I love the threads. Okay, I almost like it better how it was. Like kind of scrunched up. It's not gonna go back. But just it's so beautiful. I I'm just floored. Marissa, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything you sent me. Like I said, you guys, this was out of nowhere. Like I my mouth is not working, my brain is not working. I'm just like so overwhelmed with your generosity and kindness and how gorgeous your crafting is. And I I'm so happy and inspired and wowed, just impressed. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I cannot wait to see more of your creations. I always look forward to seeing the things that you make. And like I said in the last video, growing our crafty friendship. Um, but thank you so very much, Marissa, and thank you everyone for watching this video. I'll catch you on the next one.